Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the device so Secure Folder installs cleanly. First, make sure your Moto Edge 40 Neo has the latest system and security updates. This prevents setup errors. Next, confirm you are signed into your primary Moto or Google account and that a secure screen lock, PIN, pattern, or biometric is active. Secure Folder requires that. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Privacy, and tap Secure Folder to begin creation. Follow prompts to accept terms and grant permissions. You now configure how you access and populate the Secure Folder so it fits your workflow. Choose a lock method, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, because strong authentication protects the private container. Then add apps or files. Open Secure Folder, tap Add Apps or Add Files, and select what to duplicate or move. This keeps private copies separate from the main profile. Finally, set notification visibility, enable backups if desired, and choose an auto-lock timeout so the folder locks when idle. You finish by confirming the Secure Folder behaves correctly and learning a quick fix. Open each protected app and file to ensure they only launch from inside the folder, and test lock and unlock several times. If you want recovery, enable cloud backup so contents can be restored to a new device. If the folder won't open or apps crash, make sure required permissions are granted. If problems persist, clear the Secure Folder cache or temporarily disable, and re-enable it to reset settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.